Hello everyone my friends. Today for the first time I will disassemble such a compressor from an old refrigerator. This compressor was fitted to me by my subscriber absolutely free of charge. The refrigerator from which he took this compressor was made in 1973, and today I will open it and remove all the copper. Before cutting it, let's weigh it. Its mass is 13 kilograms 300 grams. How much copper do you think is in it? Pause the video and write your suggestions in the comments. I got access to the motor itself. Copper windings are already visible here, but unfortunately we cannot do anything from here. We will have to cut it off on the other side and then we can unscrew the bolts that hold the stator. Now we unscrew these 4 bolts, and in theory after that the stator should fall out. Here it is copper my friends, red and shiny. Now we will extract it. Friends, be sure to check if you are subscribed to my channel, because according to statistics, many viewers watch me but do not subscribe. If you like what I do, click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell so as not to miss the release of a new video. We got all the copper out of this motor and now let's weigh it. The scales show 1 kilogram 38 grams, minus 80 grams the weight of the plate. We get 960 grams of pure copper. Now let's weigh the ferrous metal. There are such tubes here. In color it may seem that it is copper, but in fact it is iron. Ferrous metal turned out to be 12 kilograms 200 grams. With this compressor, I was able to earn $13. That's all, friends. If you liked this video, rate it, like, and write some comment. Goodbye to everyone.